So today, I'm very excited to introduce you to a new phone made by Google. We call it Pixel.
Google Pixel 6 for all you are. Introducing Pixel 6 Pro, the completely redesigned, fully loaded Google phone. The Pixel camera system includes a pro-level telephoto lens. The smooth display intelligently adjusts up to 120 Hertz. Next-gen Titan M2 security helps protect you, your data, and your privacy. And with the Google Tensor processor, it's the smartest and fastest Pixel yet. We hope you'll share your experience by tagging us at Made by Google and hashtag giftfromgoogle. Wow. That is a bold, sexy smartphone. The Google Pixel 6 Pro Stormy Black. And we have a translucent case right here that I'm going to sport because you know me, it's about protecting your investment, and there's going to be a lot of case reviews coming your way for this smartphone. Man, huge shout out to Google, hashtag teampixel, giving me the opportunity to represent, to showcase this smartphone through the reviewing process, and you're going to be a part of it. Down below in the comment section, I want you to leave some feedback. What do you want me to do as far as the reviewing process? For those of you that have pre-ordered the Google Pixel 6 Pro, trust me, when you unbox this smartphone, it's going to be love at first sight. It is one gorgeous smartphone, and I am super stoked to start using it and just sharing everything that I can. I'm going to be throwing a lot of vids your way, whether it's a case review, a skin review, because I think, honestly, I'm going to bring one in. I just want to protect the back of this smartphone. Just sharing information on the cameras, speakers, battery life, connectivity, because it's a phone, and so much more. So stay tuned for all of that. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to set it up, so I'll be right back. And there we go. I am ready to begin using my Google Pixel 6 Pro, so stay tuned for a lot more. Once again, thank you for your support. Google, hashtag teampixel. Thank you very much. And with that, I am out. God bless, peace, stay safe and healthy. I'll definitely be back.